Unongilam kaliang persya kaying dorbar tauan ke jela u Dr. Mukul M Sangma uladawa bak Sorkar jela ke deban penlong ke jing jurip daga kenhun ke balaj luj ke bandan lang ikilat patai kubor kiseng san pertai bat kibriu naga Sorkar ban jurip iki jaka lum thup yu doyong ha keleng ki jaka ke jela ban tip ya ke jing shisha kane ke jing dawa jung unongilam kaliang persya kolong hadin bakla pau hakilat patai kubor bakla dan ke jing shalan doyong be anya ke jela ke balong persya ke hukum ke kasyari habakran sikilat patai kubor mentak sengi ke sautrik urumpang Dr. Mukul M Sangma ulong bakane ke Sorkar MDA kala Pyrshang ban Tuklar ke bor jong ka Lokayukta hadin bakala batha ke Sorkar ban IT ke jing toket ke Bureau of Investigation halor ke jing keno bala pendan kam bakla ban bamsap ke jing shalan do yong bean ula keno ru bakane ke Sorkar kala Pyrshang ban buri ban knyot ya ke bor tang nak benta ban buri ke jing sisa ndre ke de ban snutu baka bor ka an kamla ban le kumta ula ong baka kongres kanum aila de kane ke jing Pyrshang ke Sorkar ban buri ke jing sisa bat khamtam ke jing penyai do yong bean kalawan ra ka jing du nong ka bakraw ya ka yarong pisa ka jela katkum ka jing ong Dr. Mukul ka jing le be an ka Sorkar ka bay day bat ka jing penyaj udo yong kala pendu nong ka jela bandu khajna bat ka pisa upaj ba kala le shaki plajung kiriu khan mantoy.
I would say rather concern of a serious nature is the recent development that has unfolded. The state government of the day trying to resist the overall process of law mandated by the act passed collectively, unanimously by none other than our own legislative assembly in 2004. I am referring to Meghalaya Lokayukta Act 2014. Its mandate and the responsibility of the Lokayukta thereof and the compliance of the state government. Let us recollect the background based on which this whole engagement to really look at the felt need to have this anti-graft body mandated by law was something which is an offshoot of the felt need of the people of the state. And we have always maintained that our state should not be painted with the same brush when we talk about any issue of the tendency of the government of the day to engage in allowing irregularities, thereby allowing practice of corruption at all levels. That was the reason why, if you look at the mandate of the Lokayukta Act 2014, you will see even the highest executive of the state, the chief minister also is covered by the Lokayukta. The provisions of the law is very clear. And that was based on our intent to indicate that the sense of probity prevails in our public life. And that is very important in a democracy.